In this video, I will show you how to make your encoded videos better for fast scrubbing in HandBrake. If your encoded video doesn't scrub smoothly, for example, I have a video that only shows a frame every 10 seconds, even though I set my player to jump only 1 second. That's because the video has a keyframe set every 10 seconds. A keyframe is a frame that is compressed slightly in a video stream. It's a frame that other later frames get information from to compress information that didn't change from this keyframe. And a video file stores keyframes within a specified number of frames. For example, if a keyframe is placed every 120 frames in a video, and that video is 24 FPS, it will be placed every 5 seconds. Most video players have fast seeking or jump to keyframe settings turned on. This is a way to make the player go to the nearest keyframe. It doesn't care about the time jump length you've set. In HandBrake, use every setting that you already use for compressing videos. For example, H.264, quality at 25, and the encoder preset at medium. Down here you will notice this empty section called Advanced Options. Here you will have to write keyint equals the number of frames. For example, keyint equals 60. This will tell HandBrake to make a keyframe every 2 seconds if the video is at 30 FPS, or every 1 second if the video is at 60 FPS, and then start the encoding. You can use this way with X264, X265, or AV1 SVT. After encoding, it should be scrubbing very fast. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.